Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Unfolded English Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Totally. If this is your first time listening, welcome. This podcast is all about real English for real life.
Yeah, no tests, no stress, just calm, useful English. You can listen on the bus, at home, or while walking.
By the way, I'm Alex.
And I'm Lucy.
So, Lucy, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty well. A little tired, but in a good way. Coffee helped.
Yeah, totally. One of those slow mornings.
Exactly. And calm mornings feel nice.
Yeah. And I think calm is important when learning English, too.
For sure. When you feel calm, learning feels easier.
And that brings us to today's topic.
Something simple, but very powerful.
Small habits you can use to learn English.
Small habits, easy habits, things you can really do every day.
When we say small habits, a lot of learners feel confused. They think learning English needs a big plan, a lot of time, and perfect study days. I used to feel that way too. I wanted to be perfect, and when I couldn't do it perfectly, I did nothing.
Yeah, that word perfect stops so many people.
Exactly. And we hear this from listeners all the time. They say, I know English words, but I don't use them. Or, I forget everything. Or, I don't have time. These worries are very real.
Totally real. And very human.
The truth is, most people don't stop because they are lazy. They stop because life is busy, choices feel messy, and speaking feels scary. Fear of being wrong, fear of sounding silly.
And when English feels heavy, people push it away.
That's why small habits matter so much. 5 minutes a day, one sentence out loud, listening while cooking, repeating the same podcast. These small actions feel safe, and over time, they grow.
Like the 1% rule, small change every day.
Yes. And when English stays close to your real life and your environment supports you, habits finally stick.
So let's keep it simple.
Small time, simple actions, supportive environment.
5 minutes a day beats a big plan you never start.
And English grows best when it feels calm and real.
We'd love to hear from you.
What small habit will you try today? Just one.
Share it in the comments. Your stories really help others.
And if this episode helped you, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend.
Make sure to check out our next episode too.
We'll keep building English slowly, step by step.
Be kind to yourself.
Keep it small and keep going.
See you next time.